research on mental health in children and teens is not looking promising, with some calling it a crisis.
One team on the First Coast working to change that, and a member of the team is, well, very fluffy, we're going to say. On your sides, Renata DiGregorio introduces us to Brody, the therapy dog that plays Uno. There's a lot to unpack here. Now she joins us live with her very own dog to explain more.
Hey, that's right. Good morning. This is Indy, and we have her here because look at this little face. Look at the camera, Indy. Doesn't that just put you in a better mood? And that's kind of the point here. Therapists are using dogs, little faces like hers, as a tool to help with these statistics around children's mental health. This is a dog playing Uno, sort of, and this is therapy.
We have a lot of kids that are in the foster care system, so there's been a lot of loss, abuse, trauma.
Brody, the therapy dog, is an employee at LJD Jewish Family and Community Services, and Karen Hansen is a mental health counselor, one of the few in Jacksonville, who's seeing firsthand how Brody is changing the way children open up about their mental health.
I think that they do open up more when Brody's around. It's just something, I've even had kids where they didn't want to talk to me. I'll say, well, tell Brody. And so they'll sit down at Brody's eye level.
Research published Monday in the Journal of Pediatrics shows visits to the ER for children 5 to 19 years old with suicidal thoughts increased nearly 60% between 2019 and 2021. The CDC reports suicide as the second leading cause of death for teens and young adults. Whether it's a 9-year-old talking to this fluffy guy during a game of Uno or an adult comforted by Brody's head on their lap, Hansen says Brody helps break the stigma.
And it's okay to talk about it. Animals help open up that space.
And we want to say, don't forget here that 988 is the new suicide crisis and hotline number. We're going to have more with Indy and Brody coming up in the next half hour. Renata DiGregorio, live in Jacksonville, First Coast News, on your side.
What a sweet dog. He's like, rub my belly, Renata. That's so sweet. Thanks for that. All right, it's 9 minutes past the hour.